Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another update for my rolling 5-pan for you guys. I've made some nice progress and more progress on some of the products than I expected to be. So pretty excited to show you guys what has been happening. There will be some products rolling out, so yay for that. Anyway, let's jump right in. First product is my Snow Fairy shower gel, such a hard word, from Lush. I love this one. I'm really sad that it will be moving out soon because I've made some really nice progress on this one, guys. I started here, now I'm here, which means that probably 2-3 weeks and this one will be gone. This is the last shower gel that I have in my bathroom at the moment, so I need to go out and buy something new as well. Yeah, I love this one. It smells so good. It's so sweet. It might be a little bit too much for this time of the year even, but I don't mind. I love it. Yeah, it's gonna be gone soon. I didn't expect to finish this much, but apparently when you really use something, it goes quicker than you expect it to. So yeah, happy with that. And yeah, this one will probably be gone by the next update. Then a product that I've been using a good bit as well, because I use this every single day, is the Body Shop Rose Dewy Glow Face Mist. You guys have seen this in other projects. I love this. It's great for just spritzing over my face, kind of setting my makeup and giving me a little bit of a dewy finish, like the name already says as well. So I'm happy with that. And for this one, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see that from there, but started up here and right now I am here. So I've made some nice progress. Probably won't have this done by next update, but in 2 updates this should be gone. So yeah. Also for this one, it's moving along nicely. I use this every day, so I have no doubt that this will move quite okay. Then we have this Image Skincare Eye Mask. This is the Purifying Probiotic Mask. And I've made some progress, as you can see. If I remember correctly, I've used this 3 times right now, and I'm just trying to look from the side because I can kind of see through it. I'm about here. Even though from the top it looks like I'm always halfway, I'm not. So yeah, I think I've still got about 2-3 updates left if I keep using it at the rate I am. I do want to use it a little bit more because 3 times a month is a little bit not that much for me. Normally I do mask a little bit more often, but for some reason with this one I forget. I haven't been taking a lot of baths lately, which is normally when I like to mask as well. So we'll just see, but I like it. It seems to kind of calm down my skin quite nicely. But after 3 times, it's kind of hard to say what I really think about it. So hoping to be able to tell you guys what I think a little bit better, maybe during the next update, but we'll see. Do like it for now. That's all I can say about it. And then we've got a body lotion. This is the Aveeno Skin Relief Nourishing Lotion with shea butter. And I was about here last time, and right now I've used everything up. I can basically get nothing out anymore, and maybe there is just like a little something that I might be able to use for my feet, but I can definitely not do my whole body with this anymore. I don't know whether I'm gonna be cutting this open, because if I look through it, it's completely light in here. It doesn't look like there's any products at the top. At the bottom a little bit, so maybe I will cut this open and see if I can get something out. But for the sake of this project, I'm calling this quits, because this is basically, maybe there's one more use in here and that's it. So there's no point in updating you guys that I used it one more time and finished it in a month from now. So yeah, I did like this, but it is pretty intense in a way. It really kind of, it nourished my skin really well, but at the same time it made it a little bit sticky. It didn't really sink in very nicely, and that is what I kind of prefer in a body lotion. So I don't know if I would be buying this again, maybe when I have really dry skin, but that doesn't really happen to me normally, so I don't think there is a need for this. But yeah, it was nice for when I had it. that's it. And then a product that I'm really excited about, the Rimmel Apocaliptic Lip Lacquer in Celestial. This one I'm calling quits. Like I might still get 1 or 2 applications out of here, but in the close-up I've filmed it while I shine my flashlight from my phone through it, and you can see that there really is barely any product left anymore. So I'm done with it. I've used this so much and it just kept going and going and going, but now it is done. which means it is time to roll in some new products. I did really like this. It's a really nice and like easy color for me. It basically goes with everything. It's a little bit on the pink side, but not me. It's fairly neutral. So yeah, I really like that one. Don't know if I would repurchase it though, because I want to try some other things as well at some point. But yeah, 2 products done, so I'm going to be rolling in 2 more products. I have a feeling you might recognize these. First one is this LA Colors blush. This is a dual blusher from them, and I recently hit pan in this one in the Rimmel pan collab that we were doing, which I just filmed the finale for. Also today, you might recognize this outfit. So yeah, this I'm gonna roll in here right now because I want to keep working on it. I want to try and finish it up. Right now I'm also focusing quite a bit on the blush that's in here, but that's getting really close. So I'm kind of thinking when I use this up, I might actually repress this in here so I can take this with me fairly easily. And like when I'm doing my makeup again after going to the gym during lunchtime or something, I have this with me, which could be really good, and it gets a fairly big packaging for what's still left in it out of my collection as well. But we'll see about that. It's probably going to take me a few months to actually get through this, although it is moving quicker and quicker now that I've hit pan. It always seems to be the case. It takes forever to hit pan, but when you've hit pan, you really see it expanding and expanding more. So let's see how that will go. But yeah, that's a makeup product that's rolling in. Another kind of makeup product that I'm rolling in is this Fix and Rouge lip balm in Mocha Orange. It's still pretty full. I'm about here on this one right now, so I've still got quite a way to go. But this is just a nice lip balm, I guess, to work through. It has a little bit of a shimmer in it, so it's also nice to wear during the day if I feel like I really need it, but I don't want just like a balm, I want something more. But it is more neutral than the sleek pout polish that I'm also trying to pan, so if I feel like bringing something with me a little bit more easily, I could bring this one. And the pout polish just stays on my bedside table, so I think I would be able to kind of combine them quite okay. And yeah, it's gonna take me quite some while to work through this. We'll see how long it's gonna take me. I have a feeling it might be until the end of the year if I will even finish it by then, but we'll see. Yeah, so that's 2 new products in. Now for next time, I'm pretty sure that I will finish this one off, so I'm already kind of starting to think about what I could roll in next time. I haven't really decided yet, so we'll see. This one will probably be 2 more updates, and this one I just need to get to use it more, but I don't think I will be finishing this one off by next time either. So yeah, that is it for today. Thank you guys very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got loads of project plans going on, and the closer we get to the end of the year, the more likely I am to actually make sure I make progress on all the products that I'm still working on. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.